In this video, we're going to solve a word problem, and this word problem is going to be a two-step equation. So with all word problems, the most important thing is to figure out what you're trying to solve. What is it? What question are you trying to answer? So let's start by reading the problem, and then we'll figure out what our variable is. We'll define it. A family rents a moving van for $34.99 plus 59 cents per mile. The bill is $148.86. Write and solve an equation to determine how many miles the family drove. Okay, how many miles the family drove is what we do not know. That's going to be our variable. And so we're going to define that variable. We're going to say let x equal the number of miles driven. When we get done solving this equation, we will know how many miles this family drove. Okay, so let's think about this. How does this work? Well, the way this rental works is that the family pays $34.99 plus, because wait, there's more, right? 59 cents per mile. So it's $34.99, and for every mile they drive this van, they have to pay 59 cents per mile. What we don't know is the number of miles driven. What we're told in this problem is that the bill, in other words, their total, is $148.86. Okay, once I've done all of this, I'm ready to solve this problem. I know what I'm solving for, x, which is the number of miles driven. I've got my total amount. I've got a two-step equation. Let's solve it. So our first step will be to subtract $34.99 from both sides of this. And this way we can isolate our variable. This is our first step in this two-step equation. All right, I am subtracting $34.99 from both sides. And on my left side, that means I will have 0.59x, and that's going to equal $113.87. And yes, I am working on a calculator. I'm not doing this in my head. So that was step one, the subtraction. Step two will be dividing both sides by 0.59, or 59 hundredths. And this will isolate my variable. And then I will have solved for x, and I will know how many miles I drove. Okay, so we're dividing a number less than 1 into a number greater than 1. So our answer is going to be pretty good large in terms of its size, right? There are a lot of 59 hundredths that will fit into 113 and 89 hundredths. And how many is there? If you use a calculator, you'll see that it's 193. Okay. So x equals 193. 193 what? Well, let's go back up here. X equals the number of miles driven. And the question was, how many miles the family drove? That's what we were supposed to determine. And the answer is the family drove 193 miles.